Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Okay, so now we have come across another try these questions. So let's try it out. So what do we have to find out? What is 10 minus 1? Now this is very simple. 10 minus 1 is 9. So basically this is the smallest 2-digit number, minus 1 is the greatest 1-digit number. Now the smallest 3-digit number minus 1 is the greatest 2-digit number, that is 99. So 100 minus 1 is 99. Now the smallest 5-digit number minus 1 is the greatest 4-digit number. So 10,000 minus 1 is 9,999. Okay. Now this is the smallest 6-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number minus 1 is the greatest 5-digit number. So 99,999. So 1 lakh minus 1 is 99,999. Now, how many digits are over here? So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So this is the smallest 8-digit number. Now the smallest 8-digit number minus 1 is what? The smallest 8-digit number minus 1 is the greatest 7-digit number. So we have 99 lakh 99,999. Okay. So in this way we have found out the answers. Alright, moving ahead. Now we come across large numbers in many different situations, right? Now for example, while the number of children in your class would be a 2-digit number, the number of children in your school would be a 3 or 4-digit number, right? This is very true. Now, the number of people in the nearby town would be much larger. It is 5 or 6 or 7-digit number. Do you know the number of people in your state? Now, this is a homework for you guys, students. You have to find out the number of people in your state. So, you can search it on Google and how many digits would that number have. So, first of all, you have to search on Google the number of students in your state. In whichever state you live, you have to find out how many students are there. Okay. You can search it on Google and then you have to count the number of digits in that number. Okay. Now, what would be the number of grains in a sack full of wheat? Now, this is also uncountable. We cannot count the number of grains, but I'm sure it is going to be a 7-digit or 8-digit or 9-digit number. So, these are the different situations or different cases in which we need larger numbers, and that is why in mathematics we have developed larger and larger numbers, and that is why here we are learning how to read and write larger numbers. Okay, moving ahead. Okay, so again we have got some try these questions. Now give 5 examples where the number of things counted would be more than 6-digit number. So I have to give some examples. So let's write some examples. The first example that hits my mind is population of my country. Okay, this is we have to give examples where number of things counted would be more than 6-digit number. So population of my country would be more than 6-digit. Okay, then another example is number of words in a book. Definitely it will be more than 6-digit. Okay, then we have number of grains or pulses in a sack. This is going to be more than 6-digit. Okay, then we have number of students in the world. This is going to be this number is going to be more than 6 digits. Okay, then number of hair on my head, it is definitely going to be more than 6-digit, right? So here we have got 5 examples in which if we count or in which the number of things counted will be more than 6-digit. Okay, right. Now, starting from the greatest 6-digit number, write the previous 5 numbers in descending order. So the greatest 6-digit number is, this is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. So this is 9,99,999. Now we have to write the numbers in the descending order. So descending order, so we have 9,99,998. Then we have got 9,99,997. Sorry. Then we have got 9,99,996. Okay. So we have to write 5 numbers. So we have got 9,99,995. So I have written 5 numbers in the descending order starting from the greatest 6-digit number. Okay. Now, starting from the smallest 8-digit number. Now you know that what is the smallest 8-digit number? It is 1 crore. So we have got 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. Then lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. And then 1 crore. Okay. So we have to write the next 5 numbers in the ascending order. So next 5 numbers. So this is 1 crore. Then we have got 1 crore 1. Okay. Then we have got 1 crore 2. Then we have got 1 crore 3. And then we have got 1 crore 4. So we have written next 5 digits in the ascending order, that is in the increasing order. We have got 1 crore, then 1 crore 1, 1 crore 2, 1 crore 3 and 1 crore 4. Okay, right. Now we will move ahead. This is aid in reading and writing large numbers. So how do we read and write large numbers? This is something that we are going to learn over here. Now try reading the following numbers. Now can you try reading these numbers? So let me count the number of digits over here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is a 6-digit number. So I think this is somewhat easier. It is 2,79,455. Now I can easily read this. But can you read this as easily as I can? Let's see this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is also a 7-digit number. Okay. Now, if I write this or if I want to read this, the 7-digit number, this will be 50,35,472. Now, what about this? This is 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore and 10 crore. This is a 9-digit number. Now, can you so easily read this? Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is also an 8-digit number. Can you read this that easily? This is 4 crore 3,50,894. So basically I can read this that easily because I have the practice. Okay. Now in order for you to read this as easily, we are going to find out a way. So now sometimes it helps to use indicators to read and write large numbers. So if we have got indicators to read and write large numbers, it is easier for us. The Shagufta uses indicators which help her to read and write large numbers. Her indicators are also useful in writing the expansion of numbers. So indicators can also be useful in writing the expansion of numbers. For example, she identifies the digits in the ones place, tens place, hundreds place in 257 by writing them under the tables 0, T and H as, okay. So basically what we can do is we can write the expanded form of the number in the tabular form and then we can read the number easily, okay. So it's a 3-digit number, so we have written the digit in the ones place under O, the digit in the tens place under T and the digit in the hundreds place under 2. So we can expand this as 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 7 into 1 and we can read this. Similarly, we can do for 2902. Okay, so 2 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 2 into 1. This is how we can do this. Alright. So if we expand the large numbers, then we can read that easily. Okay. One can extend this idea to number up to lakh as seen in the following table. Now this is 7,34,543. So how are we expanding it? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. And we have written the digits under their respective places. So this is 7,34,543. This is the number. This is the expansion. If you want to expand it, you can write it as 7 into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Okay. Now another number. This is 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So this is 32 lakh 75,829. Okay. So what we can write this? We can write this as 32 lakh 75,829. And we have written this in the expanded form as well. So can you see how easier it becomes to read and write the larger numbers now? Moving on to another example. Similarly, we may include numbers up to crore. Okay. So you can see over here, this is 2 crore 57 lakh, right? 34,543. So we can write this as 2 crore 57 lakh 34,543. Okay. Now another number is 65 crore 32 lakh 75,829. You can see how easy it becomes to read this. 65 crore 32 lakh, right? 75,829. So you can make other formats of tables for writing the numbers in the expanded form. Okay. You can also use commas to read and write large numbers. So you must have noticed that in writing large numbers in the sections above, we have often used commas, right? Now, comma helps us in reading and writing large numbers. Now, comma is very useful in reading and writing large numbers. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, then lakhs and crores, okay? Now, commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. The first comma comes after hundreds place, that is 3 digits from the right and marks thousands, okay? The second comma comes 2 digits later, 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000s place and marks lakhs. The third comma comes after another 2 digit, that is 7 digits from the right. It comes after 10 lakh place and marks 1 crore. See, first comma will come after the 3 digit from right. So first comma is here. This will mark 1000. Okay. Then the second comma will come after 5 digits from the right. This marks lakh. The third comma comes after 7 digits from the right and this marks crore. Okay. So this is 3 crore 32 lakh 40,781. This is 7 crore 27 lakh 5,062. So you can see how easy it has become now to read these numbers. So try reading the numbers given above and write 5 more numbers in this form and read them. So let's write some more numbers in this form. Okay. Let me first write an 8-digit or 9-digit number. So I will write 3, 2, 4, 1, 7. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have got 8-digit number. Now let me put commas over here. So first comma will come 3 digit from the right. It will mark 1000. Second comma comes 5 digit from the right. So here. And then the third comma will come 7 digit from the right. Sorry. So third comma will come here. So now let me transform this. This is 8, 56, 71, 423. Now is it easier to read this? This is 8 crore 56 lakh 71,423. Okay. You can see here this is an 8-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is, if we write this, this is 8 crore 56 lakh 71,423. Let's write another example. Okay. So you see first comma has come after 3 digit, second comma has come after 5 digit and third comma has come after 7 digits from the right. So this is 9, 87, 65, 231. How are we going to read this? This is 9 crore 87 lakh 65,231. So how are we going to write this? 9 crore 87,000, sorry, not 87,000, 87 lakh. This is 87 lakh 65,000 231. Okay, right. Now let's see some more examples. We have to write 5 examples over here. Okay, so another example is okay. So again, now this is 2 crore. Okay. I'm sorry, I have to write this in words. So this is 2 crore 31 lakh 18,520. Okay. Now another is okay. So again we have got 3 commas from the right, then 5 comma after 3 digit from the right, then comma after 5 digit from the right, and then comma after 7 digit from the right. So this is 9 crore 63 lakh 45,200. See this? Last example. Okay. So, comma after 3 digit, comma after 5 digit, and then comma after 7 digit. So, this is 8 crore 22 lakh 95,132. Right. So we have given 5 examples over here, okay, where we are using comma and writing the number names, okay. So, and this is very important point, that while writing the number names, that is when we write it in words, we are not using any comma, okay, right. So, mistakenly I might have used, if I have used comma anywhere, then you have to ignore this. I'm sorry, I used comma accidentally over here. So we are not using comma while writing the names in words. So another system of numeration is international system of numeration. What do we do in this? In the international system of numeration, as it is being used, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then 1 million. So after 1000, we directly have 1 million. 1 million is 1,000, 1,000. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions. Okay. It comes after every 3 digits from the right. So in the international system, we use comma after every 3 digits from the right. The first comma marks thousands and the next comma marks millions. Okay. So first comma is marking 1000, next comma marks the millions. For example, the number this is read in the international system as 50,801,592. So this is the international system. In the Indian system, it is 5 crore 8 lakh 1,592. So let me just show it to you over here. This is 50,801,592. Now, if we write it in the Indian system, how are we going to put comma? We are going to put first comma after 3 digit from the right, then after 5 digit from the right, and then after 7 digit from the right. So this becomes an 8 digit number, and this is 5 crore 8 lakh 1,592. Okay. But in the international system, if I write is 50,801,592. So here I have to put comma after 3 digits from the right, after every 3 digit. So first comma marks 1000, second comma marks million. So this becomes 50,801,592. 801,592. Okay. So how many lakhs makes a million? So 10 lakhs makes 1 million. Okay. Now, how many millions make a crore? Now, 10 millions make 1 crore. Okay. So, take 3 larger numbers, express them in both Indian and international systems. Okay. So, any 3 larger numbers you can express in both Indian and international system. To express numbers larger than a billion is used in the international system of numeration. And 1 billion is 1,000 million. Okay. 1 billion is 1,000 million. Alright. So, for practice, what you will do? You are going to take 3 or 4 larger numbers and you have to express it in the Indian system of numeration and in the international system of numeration. You just have to keep in mind how the commas are used and it will be easy for you to understand it. Okay? Right.